not? What if they embrace new technology instead? Imagine a company's future with the future of trading. Company Profile, a research tool on Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade.
The Closing Bell is sponsored by TD Ameritrade, bringing you the innovative Think or Swim platform.
Lots of green on the screen. Perfect way to introduce David Asman. But of course, we need to talk specifically about David right now. What's going on with the rallies of the markets?
Yeah, well, they've been up and down, and Nicole Petalides is standing by at the NYSE for details about one stock that reported today, and we have the CEO on a little later in this hour. We're talking Orbitz. Those shares are up almost 30% today.
What a great move, because they swung to a quarterly profit in the fourth quarter. Their revenue got a boost from more bookings for hotels and the like. Great move here. I mean, up 28.33% today. Unbelievable.
Cisco shares. Listen, we just spoke to the CEO, John Chambers. We had it on the show. It had been down more. At the moment, we should just quickly pull up this chart because Cisco has come up off the floor now. It's now down less than 3%. I don't want to take credit for that, but he was very optimistic. He always is, but I pushed him on the optimism, and he articulated it.
That's right. You know, first is a cautionary tone, but there's always optimistic things to look at for these companies.
He's also transformed the company. It's not just sitting there.
All right, and as we go to the bells, boy, we managed to turn this market around. This was a very, if not fully negative, at least lackadaisical market until things started to turn around about midday. That's when we saw all of the indices go into the green, Liz.
And here we go. Dow Jones Industrials eking out about a 60-point gain. Not bad at all. And we do see the NASDAQ jumping a near full percentage point. Russell 2000, the star of the day when you look at percentage gains here, up about 1 1/3%.
The small mid-sized caps doing extremely well after the bell starts right now. Breaking down today's turnaround in the markets, we have Joe Bell, Schaefer's Investment Research Senior Equity Analyst. He's warning of more volatility in the market, but he's basically a bull in this market. And Alan Nuckman in the pits of the CME. Alan, I want to start with you and talk about a quick recovery. This is a V-like recovery that we've had here, isn't it, after January?
Yeah, it's absolutely epic. We've seen this before, so we got to remember now, if you take this measured move, the distance of this sell-off, add it onto these highs, once again, 1950 is the target in the S&P, so we still got about 7% more on the